What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So today we're taking a look at the Ticktimer. Now this was sent out to me by a company called Lano, so a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. This is a magnetic digital kitchen timer. Visual countdown clock with rechargeable battery, loud alarm, and LED display. Now you can pick this up on Amazon.com for $36.99. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Now you can use this for cooking, baking, workout, office, and games. It'd be perfect for scenarios like that. And some of the features and details. Flip fast countdown. Flip the number facing up to start the countdown at once. You can also set your own custom time as well. Now this is going to have presets on it that are 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 25 minutes. And we'll get into all of that once we get the box open. This has a rechargeable battery, reduce pollution, and become an environmentalist. This is going to have 10 hours worth of battery use out of it. This has a 500 milliamp hour battery. You can charge this using USB charging. It's going to take you 2 hours to charge the battery up. Manage your time easily, meet the various needs, and become a time management master. Maximum time on this is going to be 99 minutes and 59 seconds. This is going to feature 5 levels of volume levels on it that you can adjust. And this also has a clear LED display, allows you to check the time. You're going to be able to see your battery power and volume at any time. So those are a few of the features and details. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. $36.99. So let's take a look at the packaging and get the box open. All right, guys, so here's the box. As you guys see, it has Ticktime on the front of it. It's going to have these numbers on the side of it. That's 25. 3. This is kind of representative of how the actual device looks. You're going to be able to just flip it over and use it like that. So on the back, you do have some, just some information here on the back. And that is pretty much the box. Nothing special about it. Let's go ahead and get the box open and check it out. So a big shout out to them. I've never worked with this company before. This seems like a very interesting little device here. That be very useful in certain situations. Now this is magnetic on the back of it, so the box is going to troll me here. There it is. I got the plastic. So this is magnetic, so you'll be able to stick this to a metal surface and set your timer and use it. So games, baking, gym, wherever, this is going to be perfect. And if I could ever get this plastic off here, we'll get into the box, guys. So there it is. All right, so let's get this open and see what's all included. Is there some tape here? Yeah, there's a piece of tape. The struggles are real here, guys. 2 pieces of tape on either side. All right, now we can get into it. All right, so nothing on the inside of that. You're going to have your user's manual here that's going to tell you how to get everything set up here, tell you about the LED display, and this is going to be charged by micro USB. So next you're going to have the device. Let's get that out. Down in the bottom here, we're going to have the charging cable, which is going to be micro USB to USB-A. So that is pretty much that on the inside of it here. Let's get all this stuff over to the side. All right, guys, so here's the device. Very small, lightweight, unique looking device, man. I really like this. This is something different here, man. This is made out of a electroplated ABS material. So it has the metal textured look to it, but it's actually plastic. But it feels very nice, lightweight, good looking device here. So on the bottom of it, let's go around it here. So on the bottom, you're going to have your speaker grill. You're going to have your rotation arrow there telling you which way to rotate this when you need to rotate it. It does have Ticktime written on the bottom of it. Some little feet here to keep it from sitting all the way on the back of the device. You're going to have your preset minutes here, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 25, 15, all the way back to 3. And then on the top of it here, you're going to have your display, which is not on. I'll turn it on in a second. You got your minutes, your seconds, your volume down, your volume up, and you got your charging port, which is USB. So that is it for us, the device here. To turn it on, just one button turns it on. Then you're going to have your LED display here. You guys see it's flashing. You're going to have your countdown ring going around the outside of it. You're going to have your battery percentage and your volume right there as well. Now, you can't adjust the brightness on this display, so what you have is what you have. So if I wanted 3 minutes, I set it down for 3 minutes like that. You see this is illuminating for a few seconds. If I wanted to adjust the volume, I'm just pressing these buttons here, and you can set the volume level wherever you want. You want 5 minutes, then this is what you're going to get, and then you pick it up. You'll see that it's counting down the 5 minutes. If you pick it up, it's actually going to stop it. So you put it down, trying to get this in plain view here, 10 minutes. So if I put this back up, facing up like this, this is going to be where you can set your custom mode here. So I'll go ahead and set like 2 seconds. You guys see it is counting down there. Now if I set it down, it's going to activate it, and we'll get to hear the alarm. And as you guys saw, all of these numbers on here, the preset numbers start to illuminate. Let's do that one more time. You guys see? So very nice feature there. Now this thing is magnetized as well, so if you want to set this on a magnet surface while you're cooking or whatever you want to do, then you can set it on the magnet, magnetize it to whatever. To turn it off, simply just hold both buttons, and that will turn it off like that. Turn it back on, one button, and if I wanted 25 minutes, I'll go ahead and just set it down, and it's going to start counting down to 25 minutes. And the maximum on this is going to be 99 minutes and 59 seconds. That's the max. So very nice little countdown timer here that you can pick up on Amazon.com. I will drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick it up. I'm Will. This is the Ticktime timer. Catch you guys in the next video. Will's Gadgets and More. I'm out.